Our estate planning process is broken down into a number of steps. The first step is normally to attend an estate planning workshop, which I detailed in one of our other videos. Once we've got some basic understanding of the estate planning process and tools, we come in and we schedule a family vision meeting. And in our office, we call a vision meeting the first step in the process to figure out why we're having a conversation. What is the vision for your family? Is it to make it simple and to keep it simple for your family after you pass away? Are we looking to protect assets? Are we looking to have a rule book in place after you've passed away? What are the goals? Do we want to get it to the kids all at once? Do we have the goal of protecting assets for your family moving forward? What are you trying to accomplish? Are we avoiding taxes, or is it just get some basic documents in place? Or is it to protect assets and put a business structure in place, or wind down a business in the context of transferring it to the next generation? Whatever your goals are, the vision meeting is the first step in the process to figure out what we're trying to do, and then we start to chart a path on how we're going to accomplish those goals that we discover in that vision meeting. After the vision meeting, we have what we call a design meeting. So now we know why we're having the conversation. We generally know what the goals are that you have for your family and or for your loved ones. We've identified the familial concerns of whether we're trying to protect kids from themselves, or we have spendthrift issues, or if we have children with special needs, or it might be a blended family scenario. Once we have those concerns out on the table, the design meeting is the decision-making meeting as to who's going to be in control if I become incapacitated of my finances, who's going to be in control of my decision-making if I can't speak or communicate with the doctor. And then we also talk about the contingencies within that design meeting. Well, I want to leave everything to my spouse, but if my spouse isn't here, who gets it? I want to leave everything then to my children, but if my children aren't here, who then gets it? And if I'm leaving assets to somebody that might be underage, who's in control of the money, and when do we hand over the control? So the design meeting is just putting the details in place, making sure that your estate plan is going to work. All of our meetings run between an hour and a half, and it's a process of the attorney getting to know you, your goals, your concerns, and making sure that we're charting a path to meet the goals that you have set out for your family. Give us a call. My name's Jeff Banner, and I'd love to help.